The Best Christmas Light Installation Company stands out by offering professional installation and creative designs. They feature a skilled team with extensive experience, understanding all aspects of holiday lighting. Using premium, weather-resistant materials, they ensure your display remains vibrant all season long. Innovative technology like energy-efficient LED lights keeps displays modern and eco-friendly. Outstanding customer service includes responsive communication and hassle-free full-service offerings. They are licensed and insured, prioritizing safety and adherence to local electrical codes. Positive customer feedback and community involvement build trust and loyalty among clients. Flexible and tailored solutions cater to unique client needs, whether for residential or commercial displays. With transparent pricing and various packages, they accommodate different budgets without compromising quality. They actively stay current with industry trends, ensuring fresh and exciting lighting options. Sustainable practices, like using energy-efficient lights, attract eco-conscious customers. With a commitment to excellence, they pay attention to every detail for flawless installations. Lastly, their passion for creating magical holiday experiences drives them to exceed expectations.